Hey, what's up, naughty community? You're back over here at My Naughty Hobby with your naughtiest hooker friend, Amber, for another crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Triad stitch. So let's go ahead and get started. For this project, I'm going to be using worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook. You can use whatever size yarn and hook that you have available to you though. To work out this pattern, we're going to need to chain an even number. So I'm going to go ahead and chain up 12. From here, we're going to just create a foundation row. So in our second chain from our hook, we'll skip this one here and go into this one. We're just going to do one single crochet in each of our stitches across. At the end, we will have 11 single crochets. So basically for your starting chain or your foundation row, in order for this pattern to work out evenly, you will need an odd number of stitches. So what we're going to do is start by chaining up 3 and turning our work. Our chain 3 does count as our first stitch and also our turning chain. So we're going to skip the first chain here, or the first stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the next. So skip, insert here, and draw up a long loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, and draw up another loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, draw up a loop. At this point, you should have 2, 4, 6, 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 6 of the loops, so all of them except for the last one. Yarn over, pull through remaining, and then you're going to chain 1. Now it's going to be the same thing, only now instead of going into 3 separate stitches, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the last stitch we worked, pull up a long loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a long loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next, pull up a loop. Again, you should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 6 of them. Yarn over, pull through 2, and chain 1. when you come up to your last stitch, don't forget your chain 1, and then you're just going to do a double crochet right there in your last stitch. That's how your row should be looking. Chain 1 and turn your work. Into each of the stitches, the chains included, we're going to do 1 single crochet. And I found that it doesn't make a huge difference when you work your single crochets under both of the loops, or if you actually work it into the stitch. So if you've worked them loose enough, go ahead and actually go through those chain stitches. If not, just place one, right in that same space. Don't forget to do a single crochet right here where you did a chain on your last stitch. So that's 11, and then we need 1 more in our turning chain. So that was actually 10 and 11, because we should have 11 stitches for this little example piece. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 11. Now we just repeat this pattern. So I'll work out one more sequence with you without being so wordy. There you have it. That is how you do the Triad stitch. I hope that this tutorial helped, and happy hooking. Bye.